Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for April 28th, going into the 29th. I'm going to start off with the natural gas. Okay. I'm not going to go over the higher time frame stuff. The trade below 283.80 has brought in 188 ticks of pressure warned about. That was from the break below here. We come off short covered and rolled back over. And I said yesterday, the day itself, this went out warning of pressure before / if resuming higher trade. And we came off from 272.90 to 267.40, with a pullback up to 274.40 in between. Decent trade above 280.90, minus 0.6 of a tick per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll project this upward at least 175 ticks. And crude oil, let the maintain gap higher on the day. Tomorrow has a high likelihood of seeing range expansion. The maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. We held exhaustion with the 76.73 low and it bounced $30.13. Number of other bullish calls in here. More recently here, we just broke above this formation and this formation. The more recent one, trade above 97.10, projects this upward, 480 minimum, 1950 plus maximum. We've traded up to 101.85. Decent failure back below that line, which is going to come in at 96.95. Minus 1 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warn of decent pressure. And in the RBOB, we held exhaustion below at 191.84 and it bounced $1.62.63 and a little bit more than that today. Starting to make some new highs here at 344.22. This line right here is not very effective yet. It's not a very well-formed formation. The maintain gap lower tomorrow would be bearish. In the heating oil, tomorrow has a high likelihood of seeing range expansion. The heat has been rolling over here. Tuesday, we left a minor bullish reversal warned about below. We've rallied 53.72 cents from the 344.86 open. And then the trade above 347.52 projects us upward 17 cents minimum, 50 cents plus maximum. We've obtained 51.06 cents of that so far. Those are on hold because the trade below 386.63 plus 57 per hour brought in 12.73 cents of pressure. There was a break below here. We rallied up underneath it, but we still haven't broken back above it and started to roll over here a little bit. A maintain gap lower in there will leave a minor bearish reversal above tomorrow. And the Brent tomorrow has a high likelihood of seeing range expansion. A maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Decent failure below this formation right here will warn of decent pressure. That's going to come in at 104.73. plus 12 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Trade above 59.69, brought in 59.81 of strength. A little bit more than that today, up to 105.83. A number of other bullish calls in here. And then the trade above 97.35, I said projects us upward $14. We've attained $8.48 of that, and a little bit more than that, up to 105.83. Let me just check this. Oh, I already included that in that this morning. Decent failure back below this line. I warned a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 96.10. Minus 1.5 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the gas oil, the maintain gap lower tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bearish reversal above. Monday, we left a minor bullish reversal warned about below. We rallied 184.25 from the 1023.75 open. However, I said that decent break below this formation will warn a pressure. And this looks like it's starting to roll over here. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Decent trade back above this line will warn of decent strength again. That's going to come in at 1206.66. Plus 137 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The cadence going into tomorrow is the heating oil is the weakest of the three, the RBOB in the middle, and the crude the strongest of the three relative to one another. I would also note that the heat crack left a minor bearish reversal above on the day. And the RBOB crack also broke below a bearish formation. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.